Black screen on launch, full fix guide. Step 1, force close the game. Remove Battlebird from recent apps. End process from Task Manager, PC. Wait a few seconds before reopening. Step 2, restart your device. Turn off your phone PC completely. Wait 20 to 30 seconds. Turn it back on fresh. Step 3, check internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on/off. Test internet on another app. Step 4, clear game cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Battlebird, open storage option, tap Clear Cache and restart game. Step 5, clear game data if needed. Go to Storage Settings again, tap Clear Data, reset settings, reopen game after it. Step 6, update the game. Open Play Store, App Store, search Battlebird, tap Update if available. Step 7, check device storage. Make sure enough free space is available. Delete unwanted files or apps. Restart device after cleaning. Step 8, disable background apps. Close all running apps. Free up RAM usage. Relaunch Battlebird only. Step 9, reinstall the game. Uninstall Battlebird completely. Restart device once. Install fresh version again. Step 10, check graphics settings. Set graphics to low medium. Disable high performance mode if unstable. Restart game after changes. Step 11, update device software. Go to System Settings, check for software updates, install latest version if available. Step 12, final launch test. Open game without background apps, ensure stable internet plus storage free, start Battlebird again smoothly.